Hey designers, today we are going to create this text effect in Adobe Illustrator. Start by opening a new file and writing your text. Scale up the text and choose a font you like. Go to Window and click on Appearance. Remove the fill of the text from this side and add a fill from the Appearance panel. Click on the small icon to add a fill. Next, we want to add a gradient, so go to Window and search for Gradient. I'm going to use an orange-yellow gradient, but let's make it vertical. Adjust the gradient if necessary. Then, duplicate this fill by clicking on the small icon. Click on the fill below and give it a different gradient. You can choose from the gradients available in Adobe Illustrator by default. I'll pick one of those and adjust it to my preference. Select this fill, and before adjusting the gradient, let's add an effect. Go to Effect, then Distort and Transform, and click on Transform. Set the horizontal scale value to 99.8, the vertical scale to 99, and the vertical move to 1 pixel. Make 20 copies. Now, adjust the gradient. I'm going to add a white tint of blue between the two shades of blue to create a highlight. I'll keep doing this until it looks right. If the many colors become distracting, you can extend the gradient panel to see a zoomed-in version. Adjust the gradient until you are happy with the settings. Once you're satisfied, make the gradient panel smaller again. Now, duplicate the blue fill at the bottom and change its color to purple. Go to Effect, then Path, and select Offset Path. Set the offset value between 1 and 2, depending on your composition and artboard size. For my 500 by 500 artboard, an offset of 2 works well. Let's give this first fill an effect. Select it, go to Effect, then Stylize, and select Inner Glow. Press OK. Select the last fill and duplicate it. Change its color to black. Go to Effect, then Stylize, and select Drop Shadow. Adjust the drop shadow settings to your preference, or you can copy my settings. Let's decrease the spacing between the characters. Go to the Character panel and adjust the spacing. Now, select the first type option to select the full text and all its properties. Go to Effect, then Warp, and select Arc. Adjust the bend value of the arc and press OK. Next, take the Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle the size of the artboard. Choose a gradient you like for this rectangle. Then, send the rectangle to the back by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus right square bracket. Now, select the gradient that you think looks good. This gradient looks good, but let's alter it a bit. Feel free to change the text or do whatever you want with it. You can duplicate the text or make other adjustments. Let's duplicate the text and write, "Fight back." Remember, these texts are editable. I hope you liked this video. If it was helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs.